Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to answer the question, what's a paid discovery? I recently released a video discussing the difference between marketing tactics and marketing strategy and explaining why it's so important to have a strategy to guide your marketing decisions. Well, when you work with a marketing agency to build your strategy, that strategy needs to be unique to your business in order to be effective, which means that agency needs a really thorough understanding of your operations and your competitive advantages. The way a marketing agency builds that understanding of your business is through a discovery. This can be quite a time-consuming process for both you and the agency you choose to work with. In fact, it can take dozens of meetings to dig deep into your business and uncover everything there is to learn. But this is a crucial process that can't be skipped or streamlined if you want to develop a marketing strategy that will actually move the needle for your business. Now, a professional marketing agency recognizes the value of this process, but also recognizes the value of their time and has to charge for the time it takes to complete this discovery. So to answer the initial question, a paid discovery is an introductory project that you complete with a marketing agency in order to give them the baseline understanding of your business that they need in order to develop a marketing strategy that will actually let you find growth and success. So now that you know what a paid discovery is and why it's so important, how much should one cost, and how can you be sure that the marketing agency you choose to work with won't just waste your time and money? Unfortunately, the first question is difficult to answer because it depends on the complexity of the problems you're trying to solve. Most paid discoveries start from a few $1,000s, but if the problem you're trying to solve has a higher complexity and a larger scope, more time will be required to get to the root of the problem and develop a strategy that will actually have an impact on your business. To answer the second question, evaluating a marketing agency is much like evaluating anything else. Take a look at their past work and take a look at their free resources. Do they look like a company you'd like to work with, and do they have a proven track record of success? If everything looks good from your initial investigation, have a conversation with them. Ask them about their discovery process. Do they have a proven process? What outcomes and deliverables do they expect? How open are they to answering your questions? And do they provide additional information to make you feel more confident in your decision? If you get any red flags from the conversation, then they're probably not the right marketing agency to perform your discovery and ultimately build a strategy for your business. So with all that said, if you've been watching my videos for a while and you're still operating on tactics without a strategy to guide them, it might be time to reach out to a marketing agency and go through a discovery. If that sounds exciting, then I encourage you to book a strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forwards with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.